exciting toy. Might be your favorite, but this is it.
Wow! What toy is that?
Octonauts, Captain Barnacles.
Captain Barnacles?
And this the arms move.
Does Captain Barnacle have any friends?
Uh-huh.
Show us!
This is Quasi.
Quasi!
And this is Professor Inkling.
Professor Inkling!
And this is the other guy. I mean the Barnacles.
Yeah, that's so cool!
This is from the Midnight Sun.
That's the zombie fish.
But it has this.
Yeah.
But we have more exciting guys. We have a big scarf.
What is it?
You
Da
like
da da! It is? Oh my goodness! Was that big toy in your bag? What is it?
it? It got A.
A Gup A?
So I don't look inside it.
I'd love to. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. What's that thing on the back?
It's a repeller.
It's a propeller. Wow. Does it spin on its own?
Yes.
Show us.
It works in
Holy dooly.
but now you can look at the back.
Okay. Oh my goodness. That toy is incredible. Can you see that, boys and girls? That is the Gup A. That is the one and only Gup A. Not everybody has that toy. Do they, Danielito? What other toys are in your collection?
That's all of them.
That's all of them?
Yes.
Thank you for sharing that with us. Is there anything else you'd like to say before we wrap up this video?
If you want one of these cupcakes, ask your mom, each of your mom and dad or brother and sister to get them.